Cardano cost commonly equivalent to $0.3962 a coin, which by and large is genuinely huge. The present exchange cost range, 0.3930-0.3981, which really is very huge. The earlier day close, 0.3947, which certainly is very huge. The change generally was plus 0.0015, plus 0.38% in an extremely significant way. Backwards rate, USD to ADA, which is very critical. Cardano value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month, which is very critical. Cardano cost expectation on Thursday, April 27, cost $0.41, genuinely most extreme 0.44, exceptionally least 0.38 in a really significant way. Cardano figure on Friday, April 28, cost $0.40, by and large greatest 0.43, essentially least 0.37, or so they truly thought. Cardano cost forecast on Monday, May 1, cost $0.39, extremely greatest 0.42, genuinely least 0.36, really in spite of mainstream thinking. Cardano estimate on Tuesday, May 2, cost $0.40, truly most extreme 0.43, by and large least 0.37 in a for the most part enormous manner. In multi-week Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday, May 3, cost $0.38, really greatest 0.41, most certainly least 0.35, or so they sort of thought. Cardano estimate on Thursday, May 4, cost $0.37, most extreme 0.40, really least 0.34 in a genuinely huge way. Cardano cost forecast on Friday, May 5, cost $0.35, especially most extreme 0.37, beautiful least 0.33 in a quite large way. Cardano gauge on Monday, May 8, cost $0.36, essentially greatest 0.39. All things considered, least 0.33 in a fundamentally significant way. Cardano cost forecast on Tuesday, May 9, cost $0.35, especially greatest 0.37, least 0.33, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. In about 14 days Cardano figure on Wednesday, May 10, cost $0.35, certainly greatest 0.37, most certainly least 0.33, which certainly is very huge. Cardano cost forecast on Thursday, May 11, cost $0.36, greatest 0.39, extremely least 0.33, which truly is genuinely critical. Cardano conjecture on Friday, May 12, cost $0.37, fundamentally greatest 0.40, kind of least 0.34 in a significant way. Cardano cost forecast on Monday, May 15, cost $0.39, kind of greatest 0.42, by and large least 0.36 in an essentially huge manner. Cardano gauge on Tuesday, May 16, cost $0.39, especially greatest 0.42, extremely least 0.36, in every practical sense, as opposed to mainstream thinking. In 3 weeks Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday, May 17, cost $0.39, most extreme 0.42, sort of least 0.36, showing that the earlier day close, 0.3947 in a fundamentally large way. Cardano estimate on Thursday, May 18, cost $0.40, fundamentally most extreme 0.43, kind of least 0.37, exhibiting how Cardano conjecture on Friday, May 12, cost $0.37, certainly greatest 0.40, sort of least 0.34 in an essentially significant manner. Cardano cost expectation on Friday, May 19, cost $0.40, truly most extreme 0.43 in every way that really matters, least 0.37, which by and large is genuinely huge. Cardano conjecture on Monday, May 22, cost $0.40, kind of most extreme 0.43, genuinely least 0.37, by and large in spite of mainstream thinking. Cardano cost expectation on Tuesday, May 23, cost $0.40, sort of greatest 0.43, essentially least 0.37, which especially shows that Cardano cost expectation on Thursday, May 11, cost $0.36, sort of greatest 0.39, beautiful least 0.33, which generally is genuinely huge. In about a month Cardano estimate on Wednesday, May 24, cost $0.39, essentially greatest 0.42, especially least 0.36, which especially is genuinely huge. Cardano cost forecast on Thursday, May 25, cost $0.39, truly greatest 0.42, really least 0.36, correct. So Cardano cost expectation on Tuesday, May 23, cost $0.40. Beautiful most extreme 0.43. Truly least 0.37, which certainly shows that Cardano cost forecast on Thursday, May 11, cost $0.36. Truly greatest 0.39. By and large least 0.33 in an essentially significant manner. Cardano figure on Friday, May 26, cost $0.40, essentially greatest 0.43, all things considered, least 0.37. USD to ADA swapping scale in every way that really matters, equivalent to 2.5240 coins per $1 in an unpretentious manner. Today, S reach 2.5119-2.5445 in an unpretentious way. The past day, S nearby 2.5336, which explicitly is very critical. Change for now 0.0096, 0.38%, which by and large shows that today, S reach 2.5119-2.5445. USD to ADA cost figure for, in the not so distant future in month, or so they generally thought. Dollar to Cardano figure on Thursday, April 27, cost 2.439 coins, greatest 2.632, fundamentally least 2.273 and in every practical sense, huge way. USD to ADA expectation on Friday, April 28, cost 2.500 coins, extremely greatest 2.703, by and large least 2.326, which sort of is very huge. Dollar to Cardano figure on Monday, May 1, cost 2.564 coins, most extreme 2.778, sort of least 2.381, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. USD to ADA forecast on Tuesday, May 2, cost 2.500 coins, certainly most extreme 2.703, exceptionally least 2.326, showing that in multi-week Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday, May 3, cost $0.38, truly greatest 0.41, kind of least 0.35, or so they thought. In multi-week dollar to Cardano figure on Wednesday, May 3, cost 2.632 coins, exceptionally most extreme 2.857, exceptionally least 2.439 in a quite large way. USD to ADA expectation on Thursday, May 4, cost 2.703 coins, in every practical sense, greatest 2.941, fundamentally least 2.500, showing that the past day, S nearby, 2.5336, which generally is very huge. Dollar to Cardano gauge on Friday, May 5, cost 2.857 coins, by and large most extreme 3.030, genuinely least 2.703, which for the most part is very critical. USD to ADA expectation on Monday, May 8, cost 2.778 coins, essentially greatest 3.030, especially least 2.564, lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Dollar to Cardano gauge on Tuesday, May 9, cost 2.857 coins, really greatest 3.030, sort of least 2.703, which for the most part is genuinely critical. In about 14 days USD to ADA expectation on Wednesday, May 10, cost 2.857 coins, kind of most extreme 3.030, kind of least 2.703, pretty further